Hello security gurus, welcome to the DevSecOps crash course with GitHub Actions. I'm your host Guru from A Security Guru and I'm going to take you through this journey. So let's jump into the agenda of the course. First, we are going to learn about the course, who is the target audience of this course, how this course is going to help you to become a DevSecOps engineer or a security engineer. Next, we are going to explain what are the various careers available in security so that you are aware about the various jobs that are available within security. Next, we are going to explain what is the meaning of DevSecOps, how this term came into existence, and what actually happens within DevSecOps. After that, we are going to see the various tools that are used within DevSecOps at various levels. It can be at the development level, at the build pipeline level, or at the deployment level. We will see and go through all these tools. Next, we are going to learn about the basic security terms that we are going to use within the course. We should know all those security terms. That's why I have added this lecture. Next, we are going to learn about the GitHub Actions that we are going to implement in this course. Using GitHub Actions, we will implement the DevSecOps pipeline. So in order to do that, we need to learn the basics of GitHub Actions. Next, we are going to start from scratch. We are going to create a very simple YAML file within GitHub Actions so that you get familiar with it before we start implementing complex operations within GitHub Actions. After that, we are going to integrate our first static application security testing tool within GitHub Actions. After that, we are going to integrate software composition analysis scan within GitHub Actions using Snyk. After that, we are going to implement dynamic application security testing within GitHub Actions using OWASP ZAP. And once we have integrated the individual security tools within our pipeline, we are going to implement an end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline on a Java project within GitHub Actions. This will be a real-life scenario where we are going to implement an enterprise level DevSecOps pipeline using GitHub Actions, and we are going to see the various reports that will be generated by SonarCloud, Snyk, and OWASP ZAP. So this is going to be an interesting journey. After that, we are going to learn about the next steps, what we can learn more in order to upskill ourselves into the journey of DevSecOps engineer. Then I'll explain what are the various other DevSecOps pipeline and tools available in the market, how you can create a CV as a DevSecOps engineer, and I will explain about the offers that you will get by enrolling in this course. So it's going to be a hands-on course. You are going to learn a number of things in this course. I just want your dedication towards implementing everything that we are going to learn in this course. So see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.